Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to take a look at the 8 dangers of AI. Below we take a closer look at the possible dangers of artificial intelligence and explore how to manage its risks. 1. Job losses due to AI automation. AI-powered job automation is a pressing concern as the technology is adopted in industries like marketing, manufacturing, and healthcare. 85 million jobs are expected to be lost to automation between 2020 and 2025, with Black and Latino employees left especially vulnerable. 2. Social manipulation through AI algorithms. A 2018 report on the potential abuses of AI lists social manipulation as one of the top dangers of artificial intelligence. This fear has become a reality as politicians rely on platforms to promote their viewpoints, with a recent example being Ferdinand Marcos, Jr., wielding a TikTok troll army to capture the votes of younger Filipinos during the 2022 election. 3. Social surveillance with AI technology. In addition to its more existential threat, Ford is focused on the way AI will adversely affect privacy and security. A prime example is China's use of facial recognition technology in offices, schools, and other venues. Besides tracking a person's movements, the Chinese government may be able to gather enough data to monitor a person's activities, relationships, and political views. 4. Biases due to artificial intelligence. Various forms of AI bias are detrimental too. Speaking to the New York Times, Princeton computer science professor Olga Rusikovsky said AI bias goes well beyond gender and race. In addition to data and algorithmic bias, the latter of which can amplify the former, AI is developed by humans and humans are inherently biased. 5. Widening socioeconomic inequality as a result of AI. If companies refuse to acknowledge the inherent biases baked into AI algorithms, they may compromise their DEI initiatives through AI-powered recruiting. The idea that AI can measure the traits of a candidate through facial and voice analyses is still tainted by racial biases, reproducing the same discriminatory hiring practices businesses claim to be eliminating. 6. Weakening ethics and goodwill because of AI. Along with technologists, journalists, and political figures, even religious leaders are sounding the alarm on AI's potential socioeconomic pitfalls. In a 2019 Vatican meeting titled, "The Common Good in the Digital Age," Pope Francis warned against AI's ability to circulate tendentious opinions and false data and stressed the far-reaching consequences of letting this technology develop without proper oversight or restraint. 7. Autonomous weapons powered by artificial intelligence. As is too often the case, technological advancements have been harnessed for the purpose of warfare. When it comes to AI, some are keen to do something about it before it's too late. In a 2016 open letter, over 30,000 individuals, including AI and robotics researchers, pushed back against the investment in AI-fueled autonomous weapons. 8. Financial crises brought about by AI algorithms. The financial industry has become more receptive to AI technology's involvement in everyday finance and trading processes. As a result, algorithmic trading could be responsible for our next major financial crisis in the markets. That's it for our top 8 dangers of AI. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.